Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're recovering today. 10-year note futures coming off of some selling pressure in the previous session to trade higher today. And really over the last couple of sessions, we are seeing back and forth type of trade action, generally higher in trajectory, but nonetheless, we've seen an up day, then a down day, and an up day, then a down day. Now we're seeing some recovery today after initially trading lower, though. Early in the session, we did see strength throughout the day. And the 10-year note futures currently trading at the 110.21 level. So we're just off the intraday highs here, but nonetheless, still finding some higher price action in today's markets. When you look at the driving factors today, really is a series of things. Early in the session, data points. The early data points this morning highlighted by durable goods, stronger than anticipated, put some pressure in the treasury markets early in the session, but then as we move through the second set of data points a little bit later in the morning, highlighted by consumer confidence data coming in weaker than anticipated, and that was a catalyst to create some buying pressure, it appears. And then as we moved through the session, in the middle of the day, the 5-year bond auction, which was stronger than anticipated as far as the results, the demand. And that was a further catalyst, it appears, as to why we did see some continued upside price action in the 10-year futures today. And when you look at the yields, we're looking at the yield now down 2 basis points day over day from 425 yesterday down to 423 today. And really, if you look at the price action, the back end of the curve is where the strength is today, and coming off of the bond auction appears to be one of the driving factors, as that 5-year note had a strong demand. And we are seeing the back end of the curve rallying more so than the short end of the curve. Short end of the curve pretty flat, really. The ones, twos, and threes are pretty flat on the day, and then you move further out in duration. We find some buying pressure, moving those yields slightly lower across the board. And again, the driving factors today, there was several factors, but it appears that the bond auction results were the catalyst for this afternoon, moving us near those highs of the day.